Hi, this is George Holney. I'd like to review for you today templates, and I'd also like to review for you an alternative to templates, which is just copying existing transactions. We support both. So one thing is, when you're doing a template, you might want to have details that are similar to a specific transaction. And so one thing that we can do inside of our system when you're inside contract management is inside of the contract management, you can go into contracts and you can pick any contract, and you can go ahead and you can say duplicate that contract. And not only can you duplicate that contract, you can do it with the sequences, with the first sequence, with the costs, pretty much any way you want. So again, look at our overview video of contracts to see some of the details of what power this gives you. But instead of just creating a template, you can actually use an old contract from a prior year, from a prior delivery, and actually leverage that and create multiple actual transactions or with ease, very simply. Now, the other piece is templates. I can create a new transaction and I can create templates from my liking that will default all the data that I need, such as what type of contract is it? Is it a purchase contract? I could default the entity. I could default contract text. Could default pretty much anything I want from that transaction, right? So let me go ahead and go into the template and let me show you some of the key things that could be defaulted, which is pretty much anything on the screen. Okay? So from a template perspective, it's pretty nice. It's pretty slick. I also want to refer you to the duplicate again. Make sure you know that. And that is an overview of how you can quickly get to templates and use historic information inside of our system. Now, this duplication and this feature works not only for contracts, but for all products in our system.